So you can also work with various contents inside of Prezi right here. So you can simply go to insert and you can see that you can work with shapes, icons and symbols, and even arrows and lines. So you can do that by going on to shapes right here, and you can see that there are different type of shapes. For example, you can grab this shape right here, which is a square shape just like this, and you can just click and drag. So over here you can see that there's a square shape, so you can change the color of this. So you can into different colors just like this. You can change this into something like orange. You can change it into something, you can decrease the thickness, increase the thickness, change the color, and so forth, just like you do to a regular slide right here. So there are different shapes right here, and all of them are vector graphics. So no matter how much you zoom in, they won't actually pixelate, as you can see right here. So these are the shapes that you can work with. Another thing that you can work with is the icons and symbols. So you can go over here and you can see that there are some premium icons, but you get the ones for light Prezis or for dark Prezis. So for this is a light theme, so I'm going to choose this, and you can see that there are a lot of icons that you can choose from. In my case, I'm going to say something like a computer. Press enter. There you go, you can see that the computer related icons are actually there. So you can just simply click and drag and the icon will appear just like this. Just like this. This is an image, as you can see right here. It's loading the image right here. It'll load, so that you can see that this is a vector graphics as well. So no matter how much you zoom in, nothing happens over here. As you can see, this is totally a vector image. So that is how you can work with these symbols right here. You can also insert arrows and lines. So you can see that there are different arrows and lines that you can choose from. So there are just plain lines over here, and you can increase this in size or decrease this in size, as you can see. Or you can hold the middle line right here and then curve this out just like this, just like that. You can also click and drag these type of lines right here and curve the line over here just like this. So you can simply curve it out for an interesting look, and there you go. So that is how you can work with various symbols, various contents inside of Prezi. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.